Hello everyone, my name is Rayana. Today we will have lesson 2. The topics are have and have got, state verbs, words that go together, and we have got speaking part. The theme is Perfect Sunday. Have and have got. Look at the example of have and have got in questions, in negatives, and short answers in the speech bubbles. Quyida turgan have and have got fe'llarini savolda, inkor shaklida hamda qisqa javoblarda ko'rib chiqamiz. For example, do you have a car? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Mashinangiz bormi? Ha, menda bor. Yo'q, menda yo'q. Have you got a flat? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Kvartirangiz bormi? Yes, I have. Ha, meni kvartiram bor. No, I haven't. Yo'q, meni kvartiram yo'q. Work with a partner. Ask and answer questions about these things. Do'stingiz bilan birga mashq qiling. Quyida turgan narsalar haqida savol hamda javoblar o'tkazing. For example, pet, uy hayvonlari, a big family, katta oila haqida, a credit card, kredit karta haqida, a garden, bog' haqida, a dictionary, lug'at haqida, any plans for this evening, bugun kechki paytgi rejalaringiz haqida, any homework, uyga vazifalar haqida, your parents, many friends, ota-onangiz yoki ko'plab do'stlaringiz haqida. For example, have you got any pets? Yes, I have. Senda biror uy hayvoning bormi? Ha, menda bor. State verbs describe a state or condition that is stable, unlikely to change. State verbs usually refer to thoughts, emotions, or senses that the subject of the sentence is experiencing. They are not used in present continuous. Stative verbs, holat fe'llari haqida gaplashamiz. Holat fe'llari oddiy fe'llarga nisbatan odamning ichki hissiyotlari haqida ma'lumot beradi. Holat fe'llarini biz present continuousda ishlata olmaymiz. Example of stative verbs. Holat fe'llariga misollar. Think, o'ylamoq, know, bilmoq, believe, ishonmoq, look, qaramoq, agree, rozi bo'lmoq, love, yaxshi ko'rmoq, mean, anglatmoq, need, kerak, own, egalik qilmoq, understand, tushunmoq, anglamoq, consider, hisoblamoq, deem, dek, suppose, deb o'ylamoq, grow, o'smoq, feel, his qilmoq, appear, ko'rinish, seem, tuyulmoq. Complete the sentences with a verb in the present simple in the correct form. Hozirgi zamondagi fe'llarni to'g'ri zamonlarga moslab qo'yib chiqing. Pause the video and do it. Videoni to'xtatib, mashqni bajaring. Here you can check your answers. Some English verbs function as a state verb in certain meanings and are not used with continued tenses, while in the other meanings they are not state verbs and can be used in continuous tense forms. Here are some examples for such verbs. Biz yuqorida aytib o'tganimizdek, holat fe'llari present continuousda ishlatilmaydi, lekin istisno tarzda ishlatila oladigan fe'llar. They are think, grow, smell, taste, appear, wait, look. Biz bu fe'llarni present continuousda ishlata olamiz. Masalan, I'm thinking right now. Men hozir o'ylayapman. Present continuousda ishlatilmaydigan fe'llar love, like, believe, know, understand, remember and prefer. State verbs and action verbs. Holat hamda harakat fe'llari. Here are the examples of these verbs. For example, in state verb, the flowers smell wonderful in the garden. Bog'dagi gullarning hidi ajoyib taraladi. Bunda holat fe'li aks etgan. She is smelling the perfume to decide which one to buy. U atrini hidlayapti, qaysi birini olishga qaror qilish uchun. Bu yerda action verb, ya'ni harakat aks etyapti. Words that go together. Birga keladigan so'zlar. Work with a partner. Do'stingiz bilan birga ishlang. Match the verbs and phrases. Ibora hamda fe'llarni bir-biriga moslab chiqing. Let's check your answers together. Keling javoblaringizni birga tekshiramiz. Go to the gym. Zalga chiqmoq. Have a lie in. Odatdagidan ko'ra ko'proq uxlash. Play games on my phone. Telefonda o'yinlar o'ynamoq. Do puzzles. Puzzle o'ynamoq. Chat on the phone. telefonda yozishmoq. Go out for a meal. Meet friends for a drink. Do'stlar bilan ichimlik ichish uchun ko'rishmoq. Watch dramas on TV. Televizordan seriallar ko'rmoq. Do nothing. Hech narsa qilmaslik. Read magazines. Gazeta o'qimoq. Listen to music. Musiqa eshitmoq. Take photos. Rasmga olmoq. Visit other cities. Boshqa shaharlarga tashrif buyurish. Shop for clothes. Kiyim xarid qilmoq. Go for a long walk. Uzoq masofaga yurmoq. Have a barbecue. Barbecue pishirmoq. Complete the sentences with the phrases. Frazalardan foydalanib, bo'shliqni to'ldiring. Here you can check your answers. And here too. And we have got speech part. The theme is Perfect Sunday. Ajoyib yakshanba. We don't usually go to work or study on Sunday. Biz odatda yakshanba kuni o'qish yoki ishga bormaymiz. We do different things. Biz turli xil narsalar qilamiz. What is your idea of perfect Sunday? Ajoyib yakshanba uchun sizning ideyalaringiz qanaqa? What do you feel like doing in Sunday? Yakshanba kuni nimalar qilishni xohlaysiz? Make notes. Quyida turgan frazalardan foydalanib, speech tuzing. Here we have got small text. Let's read it. Let's read it. For me, a perfect Sunday is when I have a lie-in. Then I go out for breakfast at my favorite cafe. Then I enjoy shopping for clothes. The afternoon is perfect for meeting friends for a drink, sharing laughter and stories. Men uchun ajoyib yakshanba bu odatdagidan ko'proq uxlash, tashqarida nonushta qilish at my favorite cafe. O'zimning eng sevimli kafemda nonushta qilish. I enjoy shopping for clothes. Men kiyimlar xarid qilishdan zavqlanaman. Tushlik do'stlaringiz bilan uchrashish uchun ajoyib vaqt. Siz u yerda do'stlaringiz bilan turli xil hikoyalar hamda kulgilaringizni ulashasiz. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Xayr.